The 2013 Honda Metropolitan NCH50. The 2013 Honda Metropolitan NCH50 features a new design that gives it a pretty fresh appearance. The scoter's retro design is combined with a lot of modern lines to create a fairly unique style. The most distinctive styling elements of the 2013 model include a fresh headlight and meter setup, different handlebar and a new taillight assembly. As far as the practicality department is concerned, you get a 22-liter under-seat storage area large enough to stow a helmet and also a new inner storage bin that can hold a 1-liter bottle, plus a larger convenience hook to secure a bag. The 2013 Honda Metropolitan NCH50 is powered by a 49cc single-cylinder 4-stroke engine mated on an automatic transmission. The Honda Metropolitan NCH50 is offered with a starting price of $1,999 USD and is available in 3 colors. Hit the jump for more information on the 2013 Honda Metropolitan NCH50. Press release. With easy-to-operate features, affordable price and operating costs, plus loads of Honda quality and reliability, the new Metropolitan turns short hops into big fun. Smart, practical, stylish. Meet the new Metropolitan. One look at the Metropolitan and you just can't help but think fun. Fun to ride, fun to look at and be seen on, and, thanks to its gas-sipping thriftiness and incredible pricing, even more fun to own. Why does just about everyone who sees a Metropolitan want one? It's not just for the ruby red paint or the smart European-derived styling. It's also for the go-green gas mileage and the fully automatic transmission. This practical-minded mount comes with a feisty 49cc engine that lets you zip around with ease. And while the Metropolitan's no-nonsense reliability is what you expect in a Honda, its cool style is what makes it hot. Over the years, the Honda Metropolitan has achieved the status of classic scooter, and rightfully so. But for 2013, all new styling along with a new 50cc fuel-injected 4-stroke engine advance the standing of this little icon to keep it on the favorites list for years to come. Styling highlights include a new headlight and meter setup, different handlebar and a stylish new taillight assembly. There's a locking, 22-liter under-seat storage area large enough to stow a helmet and also a new inner storage bin that can hold a 1-liter bottle, plus a larger convenience hook to secure a bag. With easy-to-operate features, affordable price and operating costs, plus loads of Honda quality and reliability, the new Metropolitan turns short hops into big fun. The economy looks great. It's sleek, it's chic, and it's neat. You get a lot of style for not a lot of money. But you still get legendary Honda reliability. What can you do with only 49 cc's? You'll be surprised when you ride the peppy, spirited Metropolitan around town. The Metropolitan takes fuel efficiency and economy farther than ever. Imagine getting more mpg from a gallon of gas. New for 2013. A new 50cc OHC 4-stroke engine provides ample power for around-town trips while also keeping the fun factor high. Programmed fuel injection (PGM-FI) delivers excellent throttle response over a wide variety of riding conditions. New inner storage bin can hold a 1-liter bottle, and a larger convenience hook allows the rider to conveniently secure a bag. New styling highlights include a fresh headlight and meter setup, different handlebar and a stylish new taillight assembly. The estimated fuel economy for the fuel-efficient Metropolitan is 117 mpg. New colors include pearl white, pearl black, red. Honda Genuine Accessories *, rear trunk, rear carrier, rear trunk attachment kit, outdoor cover. Warranty, because we're so confident in the quality of each of our Honda Genuine accessories, we're pleased to offer one of the best warranties in the industry. 1-year warranty begins on the day accessories are purchased by the customer. Features and benefits. Automatic transmission. 1-speed automatic transmission means no shifting ever, not even into park or neutral. Just turn the key, press the starter button, and go. Underseat storage. The Metropolitan features a large underseat storage area big enough for a helmet, your books, or some groceries. The storage area features a lock for added security and is weather resistant too. Combined braking system, activate the rear brake, and CBS automatically adds front braking to help you stop. USA specifications.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.